If you're self-employed or a small business owner, it can be tricky to provide the traditional home loan proof of income requirements. That's where low doc loans can be helpful. Welcome to the Finance Hub and Networks, your one-stop shop for all things home loans. If you're a freelancer, casual worker, or even a professional investor looking to apply for a home loan, you'll want to stick around to the end because a low doc loan could be a game changer if you're struggling with your home loan application. If you're applying for a home loan, lenders want to know that you can repay that loan. They do this by assessing your proof of income. For employees who receive a salary, it's easy. All you have to do is give them your payslips and other financial statements. But if you're self-employed or running your own business, it may be difficult to provide all the traditional documents you need to prove your income. This doesn't mean you don't qualify to apply for a home loan. You just won't be able to apply in the traditional sense. So instead, you can apply for a low doc loan. When applying for a low doc loan, some of the documentation you'll need to provide include 6 months of BAS statements, 6 months of business account statements, 6 months of personal bank account statements, and confirmation of GST registration. You will also typically need a letter from your accountant to verify some important details. This should be written on your accountant's letterhead with their contact details, qualification, and industry membership. The accountant's letter needs to confirm the following: your full legal name, your business trading name, how long your accountant has been servicing you, your gross taxable income for the last 3 years, and any relevant deductions such as interest or depreciation. Because of the lack of documentation with low doc loans, there is still a slight risk to lenders. So their low doc loan products are generally a bit more expensive than the standard loans to cover for this. So that's something to consider. If you're unsure if you have enough documentation to apply for a standard home loan, check with your mortgage broker to get the right advice for your situation. Our mortgage broker can also help you find a lender and product most suitable to your personal circumstances. Make sure to like and subscribe to learn more about what's involved in your property purchasing journey. Otherwise, feel free to leave your comments below if you have any questions about low doc loans. We'd be happy to help.